Ever wish you could pay those cash-only bills with your credit card and rack up those sweet reward points? Well, today we're diving into Plastiq, a platform that lets you do just that, but with a critical eye towards the fees and potential drawbacks first. Head over to Plastiq's website or app and create an account. You'll need to provide your basic information like name, address, and email. Next, securely link your credit card to your Plastiq account. Make sure the card you choose offers rewards that outweigh Plastiq's fees, which typically range around 29% per transaction. We're talking cash back, travel points, the good stuff. Now, here's where the magic happens. Add your bill payee. Whether it's your landlord, utility company, or even your daycare provider, by entering their details like name and address, Plastiq will then send them a check or electronic transfer on your behalf. Choose your linked credit card as the payment method and enter the bill amount. Plastiq will calculate the fee upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying. Review all the details carefully before confirming the payment. Remember, those fees can add up quickly. Only use Plastiq if the credit card rewards you're earning are worth more than the fees you're paying, and most importantly, never use Plastiq to pay bills you can't afford to pay off immediately. This can quickly lead to debt and negate any benefits from rewards. Plastiq can be a handy tool for earning rewards and managing cash flow, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before each transaction and always prioritize paying off your credit card balance in full each month.